If you are using new Mac, then first you have to install Xcode select install. Then only you will able to install a Node.js via curl command. So let install. This will take around 30 minutes. So just wait. Now software is installed. Now I'm going to run this command again for installing a Node.js. So we are going to install Node.js via nvm. Okay, because using nvm is very convenient if you want to switch with the multiple node version. Now I have to run this command. And the third command is for installing node 22, because this is the latest version. Now node.js installed. Okay, so I can check node.js via node -v. It is a version 22. npm version npm-v. So node.js and npm both is installed. Now next step is that we are going to install TypeScript globally. So we will use npm command, npm install. For installing globally, -g, g stands for global, and then we will write here the TypeScript. Now it is installed and a new package TypeScript is added. So for verifying, we will use tsc. This stands for TypeScript -v. Now you can see that TypeScript 5.9 is installed. Now we have to start a project. For starting a project, first and foremost we have to go to the directory where we will work. So I have created one directory which is a TypeScript, and you can notice this TypeScript directive is within the desktop. So first we have to move to the desktop. Here basically in the TypeScript folder we have to start our project. So it is very simple, just we have to run a command npm init -y. Okay, so it is saying that npm, we have to type here the npm. You can notice that basic structure is written, which is the package.json. You can verify here that in package.json basic structure is available. Okay, and now we have to run here npm I -d TypeScript, and then we will write here the @type slash node, because we are going to use TypeScript via node. It is saying that a type slash node is not available, so we have to fix here, it should be types. Now types script node is installed. Here you can verify in the package.json @types slash node, it is installed. Now next step is that we have to use the entry point. Okay, before that let me do one more thing. Npx tsc init. Now tsconfig is also generated, because if you are using TypeScript, then ts configuration is required, where you can do TypeScript related thing settings. So you can see here in the TypeScript config all the TypeScript related thing you can do. Okay, because you are using TypeScript on top of JavaScript, and if you will transpile the TypeScript, then you will get a JS code. So in which way the thing will be compiled, in which directory compiled code will be there, all these settings you can adjust via tsconfig.json. So basically you have to include a source file here, src file, because we can do anything in the src folder. Okay, so here we will type this is a compiler option, and after this compiler option we have to include src. Hello TypeScript. After that, how we will run this code? So for running the code, we have to use npx tsc. So let's run the command. If we run npx tsc, and now run this command again, npx tsc. Now this time you can notice that there is a dist directive, and all this source code, source map, and the declaration map, everything is present inside a dist directive. Now how we can run the code whatever in the dist directive? It's very simple. We have to use the command node, and then because file is inside a dist directive, so we will write here the dist index.js, and here you can notice that hello JavaScript present. Okay, and for continuous development we have to use another command to run and rebuild, which will be the npx tsc hyphen w. So starting compilation in watch mode. Okay, now whatever changes you will do, this will be recompiled, this will be recompiled, and it will come inside the index.js, and also whatever output will be there, this you can able to see because you run a watch mode. For example, if I will do if I will make any changes, here I have type 1, then let's see what will be happen. You can notice that here also get changed. Why? Because this is in the watch mode. So you can notice that file change detected, and since this is get change here, now if we will run the command like node dist slash index.js, then you will get hello typescript 1. Now we can uh, do all these things in a package.json. So in the package.json, because each time you have to run this command, okay, two command, one is for compiling and another one is for see the output. So for avoiding this one, you can do these things in script section, okay, script section of package.json. So let's terminate this one, and here I am going to write npm run, and in script section whatever we have build a script which we are going to run. So here we will do start. So it is saying in the script that npm command is not found. So let's fix this one. So what I did, uh, since this command was not found, so I noticed that uh, here we have to create this jet shrc file, okay, and by default this is not there, this is not created. So you have to create this file. So I used the touch command and created this file and added all the configuration like home, nvm, nvm.sh, okay, and then I used the nano to added the configuration. And after adding the configuration, now if I will do npm -b, then this is coming, okay. So now let's go and let's check by going to the desktop and typescript folder, and let's check that we are able to run the code or not. Okay, so let's go and try that one. So here I will add run. If I will use the run, then whatever there in the script we can run. So in the script basically we are going to run a start enter. So you can notice here that when I run the start, then it is run tac command, okay, tac and node dist slash index.js.